Brussels sprouts are a type of cruciferous vegetable that have been enjoyed for centuries. They are a member of the Brassicaceae family, which also includes broccoli, cabbage, and cauliflower. Brussels sprouts are small, leafy green vegetables that grow on stalks, and are often referred to as mini cabbages. In this video, we'll explore the history and health benefits of this delicious vegetable. Brussels sprouts are believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region, specifically in the area that is now modern-day Belgium. The vegetable gets its name from Brussels, the capital of Belgium, where it was first cultivated in the 13th century. However, it wasn't until the 16th century that Brussels sprouts became popular in Europe. They were brought to the United States and Canada in the 1800s, where they quickly became a popular vegetable. Brussels sprouts are packed with nutrients and offer a variety of health benefits. Here are some of the key benefits of eating Brussels sprouts. Rich in vitamins and minerals, Brussels sprouts are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin A, folate, and potassium. They also contain small amounts of iron and calcium. Vitamin C is important for a healthy immune system, while vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Folate is important for cell growth and development. And potassium helps regulate blood pressure. High in fiber, Brussels sprouts are a great source of dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent constipation. Fiber also helps you feel fuller for longer, which can be helpful for weight management. Cancer prevention. Brussels sprouts contain glucosinolates, which are compounds that have been shown to have cancer-fighting properties. These compounds activate enzymes in the body that help detoxify and eliminate carcinogens. Studies have shown that eating cruciferous vegetables like Brussels sprouts may reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, including lung, colon, and breast cancer. Anti-inflammatory. Brussels sprouts contain antioxidants that help reduce inflammation in the body. This can help lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. The antioxidants in Brussels sprouts also help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to the aging process. Support eye health. Brussels sprouts are high in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyes. This vitamin helps protect the cornea, the surface of the eye, and is also important for vision in low light conditions. Brussels sprouts also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage caused by UV radiation. Brussels sprouts have a long and interesting history and offer a variety of health benefits. Whether you eat them roasted, sautéed, or steamed, they're a delicious and nutritious addition to any meal. So next time you're at the grocery store, pick up a bag of Brussels sprouts and enjoy all the health benefits this amazing vegetable has to offer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought about the video. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.